All right, probably be the last one, I think. Or maybe one more, but we're on the other side of the state fair here. This is where you come. This is where the buses drop you off. You come in. So here we are, another Bel Air here. Nice. Back on the DGI 57. I just wasn't going to chance it with the microphones, with the rain, even though I have an umbrella, but oh well. The way it is. So there's a bunch over here, but I can't just, I go on and on and on. So, but kind of nice. So many. There's 10,000 for Christ's sake. Can't see them all. This is a nice one. 50th anniversary, man. Bel Air wagon. Got two wagons right here. Kansas and Nebraska. Nice. People love the wagons now, they do. Brookwood. Cool as hell. I don't want to go there in the first place. There's music over there, so we want to kind of stay over here. It's a nice wagon. I go to my left, there's a ton more. A bunch more down there too as well. But can't do all these videos all day long. There's bunches of them. A couple Corvairs over here. It's nice. Oh, El Corvair, I didn't know they made one like that. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Nice. That's rare. Pontiac. Pontiac, nice. I like it.
That's very cool. Nice car. Did you bring it home in?
Like 4 locking them up?
You drove it up here?
I'll lock him up. I'm locking him up. He's a brainwasher.
I have this ready just in case I see some of the fucking monsters.
Lock him up, man. Lock him up. Oh, that's right. Lock him up, man. Damn right. That's a cool one. South Dakota. Nice. Over there. Oh, it does have the ramp. Nice. Ramp set. Nice. When you get over here, there's a bunch more too. Be a guy who has a Corvette. 63 Lincoln. Rainwasher, he is. Lock him up. Rainwasher. Yeah. They love the shirt. Never go wear it. I get dirty looks. People love it. Look at that bad boy. Nice. For sale. That's a nice Corvette. Look at this bad boy over here. So, I mean, you can walk all over there. Look at all that.
Yes.
Look at that bad boy, nice. That's a big dog. God, that wouldn't even fit in my garage. Hell no. 1960 Cadillac. Holy balls. Size of basketball. Nice. There's so many. This is a nice one right here in Palo. Nice one. SS. Whew. What year? 63 SS. this way. Oh, look at that big bad boy. Look at that sucker. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm glad it stopped raining now. It was pouring on. This is a big dog right here. This is huge.
Make sure you had more beer. Calling that he wants to hold it.
Look at that. Holy moly, look at that bad boy. That wouldn't even fit my garage. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Nice. People love my shirt. They laugh at it, they smirk at it. You know? Well, lock him up, man. The lead brainwasher, the white boys. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to go over there. Music would be all over it. This car has been to all the Bat 50's weekend car show. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice blue. So many. Good to see. I haven't seen any 65s yet. Look at that bad boy engine in there. For sale, Coca-Cola, M58, Chevy panel truck, 14 GER. Be kind of cool to buy. Call it the purple eater. Could be a camper if you wanted it to. Nice. What Apache. Yeah, good. Nice. What year is this bad boy? What year is this one?
62.
Nice. I love it. For sale. 763-245-9806. There's no crying at the car show. There's no crying at the car show. That bad boy, that's nice. Look at that sucker. That's right. Yeah. Very nice. Pine River double automotive. For sale, 1955. Nice. Anyway, I gotta go potty real quick anyway. I gotta urinate something worse. So, we'll make our way to the right, but as I said, as you can see, I could do all kinds of videos. We're gonna go to the sandbox and empty out the bladder. So anyways, guys, one more before we head back. All right.